Greetings, my name is Stasia Bliss, and welcome to the course of Yoga Nidra Conscious Sleep Practice. So what is this course? Yoga Nidra is an exciting technique. If you've taken my previous course, Conscious Evolution, you got a little introduction into Yoga Nidra, including the steps and what it does, and you've practiced it a little bit. If you're brand new to the practice, meaning this is the first time that you've taken Yoga Nidra, either on your own or with me, then you're in for a real treat. We are going right to the source. We're using the book Yoga Nidra by Swami Satyananda Saraswati. I studied under his disciple at the Bihar School of Yoga in India, taking this practice, learning how to teach it, how to implement it in my life, and it has changed my life. I've studied yoga for many years, and I've taught for over 12 years, and I have to say that of all of the yoga practices that I have implemented in my life, this is by far one of the most transformative. And anyone who's taken Yoga Nidra with me will attest that this is a powerful practice. Why is it so powerful? Because Yoga Nidra gets to the root cause behind what's going on in our personalities. It gets behind the conscious mind into the sub and unconscious mind, and it helps to root out those behaviors and patterns and beliefs that are causing us to behave and believe and respond in certain ways. So it's getting behind and it's digging out those things, and it's allowing us to replace the unwanted patterns of beliefs with new ones that we do want. So what can we expect from this course? Well, you're going to get into some of the science. What is Yoga Nidra? Where did it originate? What are the scientific findings behind it? What are the steps of the practice? You can also expect that I'm going to give you 12 Yoga Nidra practices. So each one is going to go a little bit deeper. You'll utilize each one for at least 5 to 8 times each. And Yoga Nidra gives you, for each 15 minutes that you do the practice, it's the equivalent of an hour of deep sleep as far as the rejuvenation effects on the body. So this is basically an age-halting practice and a rejuvenating practice. And beyond the mere relaxation benefits, you're also going to be able to get to the root of who you really are, your potential as a human being, and that's the most exciting thing here. So expect to transform, expect to have better dream recall, and become conscious on multiple levels of your person. So beyond the conscious mind, we're learning to tap awareness that the sages and mystics of old called turiya, or being able to become conscious of all levels of self at one time. This is extraordinary. It's extraordinary because it turns you into a superhuman, where with just a conscious mind, we react to situations. We are living just in 3D reality. But when we become aware of deeper states, of dream states while we're awake, of deep sleep states while we're conscious, of the super conscious mind, then, my brothers and sisters, the magic really starts to happen. Because where do we get inspiration, insights? Where can we start living in the now moment while accessing our gifts and talents and the information that wants to come to us now that is critical for this moment in time? I'm not talking about learning something and remembering it for later and utilizing knowledge and teachings and wisdom from the past, not even the knowledge and wisdom and teachings that are in this book. This is just a catalyst for you to become more present in your life and a more potent and powerful person to draw on the gifts that you inherently have. So this practice, I guarantee, is going to change you, and it's going to change you in the best possible way. So there's beginner practices that really start to just root out the old, get your body and mind really relaxed, and then we're going to go deeper, and we're going to start accessing those deeper gifts and talents, including our birthright of abundance. And, who knows, maybe we'll even get into the peace of the planet and what we can do to affect change in our environment. So stay tuned and hold on, or shall I say, let go. It's time to surrender into the truth of who we really are. Okay, see you on the inside.